Okay, my dear student, this is nursery and class 1, right? This is nursery and class 1. Today our spoken class number 3. This class, inshallah, we will make some translation every day. Every day we are doing some works. About one works, we have to make translation. Okay, just I am asking some translation. আমি ভাত খাই ইংরেজি কি হবে? আমি পানি পান করি আই ড্রিঙ্ক ওয়াটার। থ্যাংক ইউ। আমি চা পান করি আই ড্রিঙ্ক টি। থ্যাংকস again. Okay, thank you very much. And my dear student, actually you can do one time only. This is nursery class and class 1. It is very difficult to learn English, but my child and my students are very aggressive and very happy to learn spoken English. Spoken English is very easy language, I think so you can do also. This is Wildan International School. This Wildan International School, just we have done a spoken class for class number 3. Today we are doing class 3 for nursery and class 1. Okay, thank you very much. We will again for this we will again the next class day after tomorrow. Thank you very much, my dear student.